This Stihl, it's a KM56RC, one of these multi-attachment doohickeys. Well, here's what I got going on with it. Okay, you guys, you know, it was brought to me because it didn't really want to work, so I put spark on it, tester on it, and when you see it, it's got a good spark. Okay, so that's not the issue, right? So I checked fuel, went in here, checked the actual, you know, fuel, make sure the fuel was good, make sure the hose inside, you know, the hose was good. Let's see if I can pull it up, and you know, there's a hose in here with a pickup tube and a filter. There it is right there, one of the green Stihl ones. Okay, I hope you can see that. Maybe not, even with this lighting, but you can tell that there is one in there. And it's not gone or it's not missing or anything like that. And the primer bulb is actually filling pretty well. So that's not it. But otherwise, it won't start. So we're gonna take some deeper dives into it. Okay. And the spark plug looks okay. Okay. It's just fuel coated because it's not starting, but you know, it looks okay. So we're gonna go take a look inside. Let's take a look inside. All right. I got my compression tester hooked up. Let's give it a couple pulls and see what we got. Okay. Okay, we got no compression, or very little. So very little. So now we're gonna take a look. Okay, let's take a look at the camera. This is my inspection camera. It's not the best. It's kind of old. It's not as nice as, you know, the other ones, but it does work. So let me get it powered on if it will go. Hello. Okay, and then we'll turn on the light at the end. Here we go. We'll get a little bright, and let's go take a look. Hopefully you can see what I'm looking at. And let's take a look on. Okay, so there's a lot of carbon buildup on it, if you can tell. Let's bring it down a little bit. I think it's a little bit high. Let's bring it down. See, and this is the gap there, right at the edge of it. I think that's part of the two-cycle as it pulls in the air and the fuel mixture. So, yeah, but there's a lot of carbon built up on here. It looks nasty, really. The cylinder walls there look okay, from what I can tell. So, I don't know. Maybe we should put a new carb on it and hope for the best. I don't know. Let's go from there. Okay. Okay guys, I installed a new Amazon Chinese carburetor, primed it, and here we go, you know. Works pretty good, huh? Yep, so a little cleanup of the combustion chamber. It was carboned over, and then a new carb, and looks like she's good to go again for a while. Alright guys, thank you for following this short video. I know I didn't do a lot of in-depth on it, I apologize, but it looked like there was some, you know, development in here, but it really turned out to be, again, a bad carburetor that didn't want to really do anything. And usually a carb kit, there's an original Zama here for Stihl, you can tell right there, but a carb kit costs as much as buying this new, and usually they're good right out of the box. So overall the same connector, it's an identical match, and so we good to go. Thanks again guys, take care, bye now.